Hey, this is Mondo with Hexagon. I'm here at the BIM Forum, and I've got
Wally here with Hexagon as well.
Yep. And so we're here in St. Louis at the BIM Forum 2019, right next to the Golden Arches. Not the Golden Arches. What are
Just
they?
the St. Louis Arch.
St. Louis Arch. But man, it's been a great conference. Had a lot of people come to our booth. A lot of people have been asking questions.
Some really great questions about BricsCAD and about Hexagon in general. Our software integration.
Tell them a few. What's a few things?
So people are interested in BricsCAD, knowing what we're capable of doing in BricsCAD, building models rich with BIM information, BIM data. That's something that's hard to do in DWG in the past, and we're driving forward in BIM to do that.
You know what I noticed? A lot of people did not even know BricsCAD. They were just like, I've heard about it, but now that they had a chance to see it, because we have a little TV up here, and so we've been running it, and they've just been asking, wow, I've always heard about it, but now I see it, and that looks really good.
Yeah, it does. So people ask questions about it and see what it's capable of doing in the demos, and they want to see something specific. So I can just pop over, open BricsCAD, do the demonstration, show them it's capable of doing what they need to get done, and here we go.
Yeah. So it's been a great. This first day was good, really good. Our booth was just popping.
We were so busy.
Oh my gosh.
We were so busy.
I mean,
we had like 20 people crowded around our booth.
Yeah, remember that one time? There was like tons of people. We're on the second day, so it's going to be a shorter day. But again, we've got people come and says, "Hey, here's my business card. Let's talk later. Let me see more about this, because this is, we know, a perfect spot where this can fit in." And they understood. We made it sure that we're not competing against Revit. We're not competing against those things. Because everybody's using Revit here, So,
which is a great tool, but it's not the solution for everybody and for every project. So.
Exactly. So, anyway, here's some video here coming up here. We're going to show you a few.
Are you going to show some videos?
Well, of course.
That's awesome, man.
Here's some videos of what was going on. Some people that talking to our booth. Walked around so you can kind of see what BIM Forum 2019 looked like. And then today I'm going to film some more. And so you're probably going to see first day and second day here. So here it comes.
And we'd love to hear any questions you have about the product after you take a look at it. Give us a call. Let us know what we can do to help you.
Yeah. See ya.
Thanks.
Bye.